This is USMLE QA, USMLE material presented in a question and answer format structured similar to the first aid for the USMLE Step 1 book.
Question: What is classic galactosemia? Answer: Classic galactosemia is a disorder of galactose metabolism characterized by the absence of galactose 1-phosphate uridyltransferase. Question: How is it inherited? Answer: Classic galactosemia is an autosomal recessive disorder. Question: What are the symptoms of classic galactosemia? Answer: The symptoms of classic galactosemia develop when an infant begins feeding and include failure to thrive, jaundice, hepatomegaly, infantile cataracts, intellectual disability. Question: How does classic galactosemia cause damage? Answer: The damage caused by classic galactosemia is due to the accumulation of toxic substances, including galactitol, which accumulates in the lens of the eye. Question: Can classic galactosemia predispose to any serious condition? Answer: Yes, classic galactosemia can predispose to E. coli sepsis in neonates. Question: What is the treatment for classic galactosemia? Answer: The treatment for classic galactosemia involves excluding galactose and lactose from the diet. Question: How is fructose related to aldolase B and galactose related to uridyltransferase? Answer: Fructose is to aldolase B as galactose is to uridyltransferase. Question: What is the impact of more serious defects in classic galactosemia? Answer: The more serious defects in classic galactosemia can lead to PO43 depletion. Question: What is the main cause of classic galactosemia? Answer: The main cause of classic galactosemia is the absence of galactose 1-phosphate uridyltransferase. Question: What is the effect of lactose in classic galactosemia? When an infant with classic galactosemia begins feeding on lactose present in breast milk or routine formula, symptoms develop. Question: What are the symptoms of classic galactosemia in infants? Answer: The symptoms in infants with classic galactosemia include failure to thrive, jaundice, hepatomegaly, infantile cataracts, and intellectual disability. Question: What is the significance of galactitol in classic galactosemia? Answer: Galactitol is one of the toxic substances that accumulates in the lens of the eye and causes damage in classic galactosemia. Question: How is classic galactosemia diagnosed? Answer: Classic galactosemia is typically diagnosed through genetic testing. Question: Why is the diet important in treating classic galactosemia? Answer: The diet is important in treating classic galactosemia because it involves excluding galactose and lactose to prevent further accumulation of toxic substances. Question: How is fructose different from galactose? Answer: Fructose is different from galactose in terms of the enzymes they are related to. Fructose is related to aldolase B while galactose is related to uridyltransferase. Question: How does the absence of galactose 1-phosphate uridyltransferase lead to classic galactosemia? Answer: The absence of galactose 1-phosphate uridyltransferase leads to the inability to process galactose properly, causing the accumulation of toxic substances and the development of classic galactosemia. Question: How does classic galactosemia affect the lens of the eye? Answer: In classic galactosemia, galactitol accumulates in the lens of the eye, causing damage and potentially leading to infantile cataracts. Question: What is the significance of E. coli sepsis in relation to classic galactosemia? Answer: E. coli sepsis can be a serious complication that classic galactosemia can predispose to, particularly in neonates. Question: What is the role of fructose in the treatment of classic galactosemia? Answer: Fructose is not specifically mentioned as a part of the treatment for classic galactosemia. The treatment involves excluding galactose and lactose from the diet. Question: What is the relationship between FAB-gut and classic galactosemia? Answer: FAB-gut stands for fructose is to aldolase B as galactose is to uridyltransferase and refers to the relationship between the enzymes involved in processing each of these sugars. In classic galactosemia, there is a deficiency in the uridyltransferase enzyme required for processing galactose.
Thank you for watching our Q&A format video. We hope this helped you learn, review, and retain knowledge needed for the USMLEs. For more information on this topic, check out the link in the description. Now, if you want to take your USMLE prep to the next level, be sure to check out all our courses, which are structured to follow along with the first aid for the USMLE Step 1 book. You can find us at usmleqa.com. And if you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe.